Have you ever found yourself tangled in legal jargon, wishing for a clear, straightforward explanation? Welcome to Beyond Borders Podcast, your gateway to understanding the fascinating world of law. Imagine navigating the twists and turns of real estate, breaking down barriers in business immigration, creating asset protection in complex structures in corporate law, securing your legacy with estate planning, or overcoming financial hurdles like bankruptcy and foreclosure. Each episode is your personal guide, offering practical insights and real-world applications that bring clarity to your legal concerns. We're here to transform confusion into confidence with trustworthy, concise information. So whether you're commuting, hitting the gym, or relaxing at home, tune in to Beyond the Borders Podcast, brought to you by Bauer Gutierrez Borbon.
Hi there. Welcome to Beyond Borders, the podcast where we break down the complexities of U.S. immigration law in a way that's easy to understand and, dare I say, a little fun. I'm your host, Gianni Piantini, and I'm thrilled to have you here with us today. This podcast is powered by Bauer Gutierrez Borbon PLLC, a law firm that's dedicated and passionate about helping people like you navigate your journey to the U.S. Before we dive in, make sure to like, follow, and share this podcast with anyone who might need a little guidance on their immigration journey. So a little bit about me, I'm Gianni Piantini. I'm an immigration attorney specializing in business immigration law. My path in law has been quite the adventure. I graduated summa cum laude from St. Thomas University College of Law in 2020. And at the time, I was lucky enough to be the class speaker. I also have a bachelor's degree in psychology from Florida International University. So I'm from Miami, born and raised, and have lived here my entire life. I have also interned at the 3rd District Court of Appeal in Florida and worked at the Narcotics Division of the U.S. Attorney's Office in Miami. Now, in addition to practicing law, I'm also an adjunct professor at St. Thomas University, teaching legal methods and helping shape the next generation of legal minds. Now, let's talk a little bit about the firm that's backing this podcast, Bauer Gutierrez Borbon PLLC. We're not just about immigration law. We cover a wide range of areas, including real estate, estate planning, corporate law, foreclosure, bankruptcy, taxation, and we even do some litigation. My sweet spot is business immigration. That is my passion. I get to help artists, athletes, entrepreneurs, and professionals achieve their dreams in the U.S. And over the last 9 years, I've worked with a variety of clients, both in the United States and abroad, and have achieved a pretty impressive 95% approval rate. So if you work with me, you're definitely in good hands. So what can you expect from Beyond Borders? We're here to guide you through the often confusing world of U.S. immigration law. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions for yourself, your family, your friends, and to me, that's the most important part of the immigration process. It's making those informed decisions. So in our episodes, we'll cover a ton of ground, including the various types of visas and what you need to know about them, the latest updates on immigration policies and regulations, real success stories and case studies to inspire you, and Q&A sessions where we tackle your burning questions. So if something's on your mind, if you have a question at the tip of your tongue, please drop them below. In future episodes, we'll also deep dive into various visa categories. And by the way, did you know that there are over 100 visa types? It's true, and it's a lot to take in. So we're gonna break down key visas like the O-1 visa, which is designed for individuals who possess extraordinary ability in their field, whether it's in the arts, sciences, business, education, or athletics. The visa is often sought after by accomplished artists, entertainers, athletes, and professionals whose work have been recognized at a national and international level and who meet certain requirements, which we'll explore in future episodes. The E-2 treaty for treaty investors, it's also another great option. It's available to nationals of countries that maintain a treaty of commerce and navigation with the United States, such as Argentina and Italy. This visa category is ideal for entrepreneurs and investors who want to start their own business or they want to buy into an existing U.S. enterprise. And to qualify, you must make a substantial investment in the U.S. and show that the business will generate more than a minimal living for you and your family. The EB-1 visa is a permanent residency green card option for individuals with extraordinary ability in the arts, sciences, business, education, and athletics. So it's very similar to the O-1 visa, but you would eventually get your green card. Unlike the O-1 visa, you may self-petition and you must show that you have sustained national or international acclaim in the field. And this visa is highly selective, but for those who qualify, it does offer a direct path to permanent residency without the need of a job offer like the O-1, as I mentioned. So it is a very beneficial visa. The EB-2 NIW is another green card option that allows certain professionals with advanced degrees or exceptional abilities to bypass the traditional labor certification process. So to qualify, you must demonstrate that your work has substantial merit and national importance, and that you are well positioned to advance your proposed endeavor. You also have to show that it would be in the best interest of the U.S. to waive the job offer and labor certification requirements. And this visa is particularly attractive to researchers, entrepreneurs, and professionals in the field that benefit the U.S. economy, healthcare, or national security. Understanding these visa types and their requirements is crucial if you're considering making the U.S. your home. And we've got you covered every step of the way, of course. But we're not just here to throw legal jargon at you. We want to provide educational content, share inspiring stories, and give you motivational tips to keep you going through the immigration process, because it obviously can be challenging, but you're not alone. Thanks for tuning in to the first episode of Beyond Borders. I hope you're as excited as I am about the journey ahead. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and rate this episode with your family and friends. And join us next time for more in-depth discussions, and let's navigate this immigration journey together. Until then, take care. You are tuned in to Beyond Borders, where your American dream takes flight.
Thank you for tuning in to the Beyond Borders podcast. We hope you found today's episode informative and engaging. Our goal at Bauer Gutierrez Borbon is always to equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to navigate your legal challenges with confidence. Remember, our experienced team is always here to assist you with your legal needs, whether it's in real estate, estate planning, corporate law, bankruptcy, foreclosure, taxation, or of course, immigration. If you have any questions or would like to discuss your situation further, please don't hesitate to contact our office. Stay tuned for more episodes, and we look forward to seeing you next time on the Beyond Borders podcast.